This time at the Quick Speed Shop, I'm going to try to fix the top of this radiator by soldering it. Alright, so what's going on here is I bought this radiator at swap meet. You can see by the rusty water that leaked out of it that it's got a crack here where the filler nut goes onto it, and I can see a crack on the inside a little bit. So where this soldered on, the solder joint has failed, and I'm going to try to solder it up again by using a torch and some flux and solder. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a wire wheel. I'm going to wire wheel all this and clean it up nice. I already scraped a lot of the residual stuff out of the gap with a razor blade. So I'm going to wire wheel this down all nice, and then we'll have a clean surface to solder on. So I got a wire brush in my drill. I'm just going to go ahead and hit it and clean it up. Alright, that's cleaned up pretty good. I'm going to move the camera so you can see in close, and then we'll get solder in here. Alright, to do this job I need three things. I need a source of heat, get a little Bernzomatic torch here. I need solder. I got some Lennox lead-free solder that I use for some plumbing. And then I need some, got some old school flux here, acid paste flux. Stuff's old school. And so we're gonna, first thing we're gonna do is take the brush, put some flux on the brush and flux all this here. Alright, so we're gonna take our flux here. I'm just gonna put a little on the brush. Stuff is gooey, and I'm just gonna lambaste it here over the where we're gonna be working. Put a little coating on there, get in there good. I'm also gonna just put a tiny little dab on the inside because I'm gonna try to hit it on the inside. I know you can't see that, but I might be able to, I wasn't able to clean it as good in there, so I don't know if that's going to work, but got her fluxed up good. Put that away. Now, hopefully my Bernzomatic will fire up. I hear something. Aha! Nice little blue flame, so I'm just going to take my solder. Come over here, I'm just going to heat this. I've never done this before, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, I'm starting to melt. Oh, there we go. It's not quite hot enough yet, I don't think. Oh, I'm getting a big globble. Got some dirt. Ah! There's a big puddle on the floor. Had some debris in the joint back here that burned out. That's why the solder wasn't going in there. See this? This is... It's not really sticking. I'm going to pull this out of here. Back here it's alright. not really working to my satisfaction here. I don't know if the joint's dirty or just the solder. It's just kind of... kind of wicking out of there. Oh, got a flame out. So that didn't go real good. I don't think it was clean enough. And I think I had some debris back here. I don't think this is sealed up good enough. The solder inside definitely didn't take. That didn't take at all there. Let's see if I can pop this up. No, it's kind of bound in there, just nasty looking. I'm going to heat this up and pull it out of here and start over. See, it tinned a little bit back here. I'm going to reflux it here and try it again. It actually went in there. It actually went in down here all right, I think. I'm just going to reflux this whole thing real good. The flux, I think, cleans the metal and cleans the joint for the solder. I'm no expert here. See that hole that keeps opening up? I don't know what's going on here. Well, it's definitely not the best looking job here, but it kind of flowed around. There. It's humped up pretty good here. I got a lot of extra solder, and I kept having that, I think, contaminants blowing out of the joint because it's real hard to get down there and clean it we'll see. I'll have to wait till I put coolant in it, and we'll see what happens. I tried it. I don't know if it's going to hold. I got to wait till I put coolant in here. And when I do, I'll put an edit in the description below. I'll say if it worked or if it didn't. It ain't looking real good, but for a first time soldering a radiator that was dirty and questionable, I guess it's hopefully better than it was. If it leaks, I'll do something else. So in the meantime, I guess that's it for this one. I want to thank you for watching. I'm going to put a button to subscribe. Where am I going to put it? How about over here on the cowl? Hit that, bink, right there. I'm putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So share, like, subscribe. And as always, we'll see you again at the Quick Speed Shop. I'm here for quantity, not quality.